Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to blur moving object in CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut Mobile application, and for instance, I'm going to blur this girl's face. First thing first, I'm going to add effect to my project or my video. We can go to effect and select video effect, and I'm going to search for blur effect. Okay, and I'm gonna select this one, this blur effect, and we can go back to our main menu. Okay, and I'm going to make this effect align with my video, and we can go back and we're going to duplicate this video. Just tap on the video and you can scroll all the way to the right around here to find the duplicate option. Okay, and make it as an overlay. You just need to tap on overlay, and I'm going to make the second video align with my first video and click on the second video, and we're going to put mask on it. Just go to the mask option, this one, and I recommend you to choose the circle mask. Okay, then you can adjust the size of the mask according to the moving object you want to blur, and we can click on invert, just this one. Click on this invert, and you can use this keyframe feature to make this mask follow the moving object. You can click on the keyframe button like this. Okay, click on keyframe, and we can adjust the position of the keyframe. Click on keyframe. Okay, just one by one. Adjust the position like this until the end of your video. Okay, and I think it's done guys, and this is the final result. Alright guys, then that's all the way to blur moving object in CapCut Mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.